Hello everyone. Today in this video, we are going to create Python virtual environment. So let's start. Let's head over to our project directory and we're gonna open our command prompt here. So type cmd in the address bar and hit enter. It is going to open our command prompt. Now we need to type Python hyphen m e n v and name of our virtual environment. I'm gonna keep it as my env for now and hit enter. It is gonna create our virtual environment directory in our current working directory. And once the virtual environment is created, we need to activate the virtual environment. So as you can see, the process has been finished. And now we need to activate our virtual environment. So to activate our virtual environment, we're gonna type our virtual environment name / scripts / activate. Okay. As you can see, our virtual environment is now activated and we can now install our packages. So if install, I'm gonna install request library for now. And as you can see, we have successfully installed request library. To check if the library has been installed successfully, we can use pip freeze command to get the list of installed libraries in our virtual environment. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.